What's good, guys? It's your girl Emani Nicole, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So as you can see, my hair looks a little longer, fuller, thicker, you know, darker, and I just want to see what you guys think I did differently. All right, I'm not gonna let you guys guess any longer, so I'm about to jump right into the video. Continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button down below to get notified every time your girl posts. I'm gonna start rambling and we can go ahead and get back into the video. Oh, all the hair deets will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to click that box and get all the information you need on this beautiful hair. All right, this video. So I'm just gonna take out the braids that I did this morning. And my hair is blow dried because I am getting a protective style. This is why I'm doing a review on these clip-ins right now. I have bobby pins in my hair. Just drop those on the floor. My hair smells so good, guys. It smells delicioso. Ooh, it's a little tangled right there. All right, so this is my hair blown out from this morning. Section off the hair, I'm just going to go ahead and do some cornrows, or tiny, because no one's gonna see this part. It'll be our little secret. Shh. So I finished braiding the back of my hair. And I didn't do it on camera because I got a phone call, so I ended up just braiding them off camera. And you're gonna stick this part down in your hair and snap it closed. So we're gonna snap. 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 See? Just like so, people. to the last stretch of clip-ins. Getting a little nervous, guys. Getting a little nervous. And combing. Actually, we're gonna overlap this a little bit so it can fit. Snap. Snap, crackle, pop. Rice Krispies. Y'all, this is a whole head of clip-ins, and like I said, I did not wash the hair yet. This is straight out of the package install, so I'm pretty sure there's going to be shedding, there's going to be some other things, but this is a full head of clip-in extensions. Look at that. 16-inch. Now we're just gonna take the leave out. And try our best to hide these clip-ins. Footage, I was really struggling trying to hide my hair, so what I'm gonna do is just brush my hair. The back is still braided, by the way. It's not pinned in, but the top, I'm literally just going to brush my hair back. I'm trying not to put any product in my hair because there's a possibility that I might be getting a protective style. So yeah, I'm trying to not take my hair with gel beans, so I just wash, deep condition, and blow dried my hair, and I don't want to go through that all over again. So give me a second, I'm going to get a hair bow. I am going to go in with my Kaleidoscope Miracle Edges edge control, just to give me like at least a little sleekness at the front of my head. But I'm not gonna go in too massive, and I'm just using my eyebrow brush or spoolie to lay these flyaways, not really flyaways, these edges down. Like I said, I'm not trying to do too much because I don't want to rewash my hair. So now that that's done, and I have a little bun, and then I pinned up the braids. I know my hair looks crazy, but we're gonna try it this way. So again, I'm going to take the 5 clips extension first. They're really, really thick, which is so good. And the clips are easy to clip in, so. Boom. clip-ins, you won't even be able to see the bun once I finish clipping all the clips in. Voila! I literally just have clips in my head, but once you put the scarf on, and let's go ahead and lay these edges. The clip-ins before applying them in my head. That will be a separate video. I just wanted to get this review, give this a review of this hair before I got my hair in a protective style, and I'm really contemplating getting it in a protective style because this right here is super quick, super easy, and I love it. It's so cute. The hair is really thick. It covered my whole head, my entire head, and this is 16-inch, so give you an idea of how long it would be if it was stretched. Give me 1 second. So about, I'm short and I'm standing on my tippy toes, so it'll be about like right there. Yeah, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button down below to get notified every time your girl posts, and I will catch y'all later. Peace.
On a day like this, the heat, it feel like summer.